Well, welcome to the Kalamazoo Industries DS24H. This is a 24-inch horizontal disc sander, shown with an optional variable speed. Variable speed is an option that allows you to control the speed from 0 up to full RPM. We run a 5-horse motor in this one specifically, and it's great for flattening things off, keeping things flat. It's got a back gauge on it that you can butt up against, and it's fairly simple. So it's a 24-inch disc. This one has a 5-horse in it and an optional variable speed. Made right here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Kalamazoo Industries DS24H disc sander, 24-inch.